Wasn't even watching.
No, I was trying to do that good. How's your face? No.
Dang, Doug. Oh god. It's not where I was expecting you to go.
That's why I did it.
See?
Oh my gosh! That was good.
What was that? What was that trick?
It was a kickback.
Oh.
Right over here. Fuck. I touched the end shrub. Yes, Doug. That was cool.
So what trick was that?
That was cool. It was a kickback. It's huge. It's worth amount of money though. I need it. This is a classic sports bar restaurant.
Oh my god, so.
Yeah!
First try!
Well, damn, that really bums me out.
Oh fuck. I messed up.
Yes, yes.